Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogcember day 6. So I'm currently outside of Starbucks. I think I'm gonna try that Irish cream cold brew because a couple of you said it was really yummy, so that's what I'm gonna get. Let's see, do I want a dessert for breakfast? No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna be eating bad all on vacation, so no, I'll pass. And then I'm gonna get my nails done because my gas light's on. Because my nails are looking rough. They're looking very Thanksgiving-y. I can't even speak today. They're looking like Thanksgiving nails, so I'm gonna get some teal mint nails. So that is my next stop. Okay, so I just tried the Irish cream cold brew, and let me tell you, this tastes like a vanilla milkshake. It is so yummy. Wow, thank you for recommending this. I might even like this more than the pumpkin cream cold brew. It is so freaking delicious. I love it. And now I'm gonna go get my nails done. Okay, update time. I got my nails done. So I got them like a peach and teal and sparkly. I might add crystals to it. I'm not sure yet. But this is what they look like. A couple of people said they look like Easter nails, which kind of, but also my theme of my Instagram is kind of like peach and teal. So I really wanted these nails and I really do like them, regardless if they look like Easter nails. And then I just got a spray tan, so that's gonna be developing all day. So I look a little crazy right now. And then I also got waxed in places I didn't know you could get waxed. So there's that. And now I'm outside of Target. It literally is so crowded here. It's insane. It's like Christmas Eve. There's so many people here right now. So I'm gonna go in. I have to get Dramamine because I would get sick on the plane. I also wish I had something for my anxiety because that's a little over the top right now. Dramamine, I wanna get razors, but I might get Walgreens. I might go to Walgreens to get razors. Scott wants wife beaters. And I don't know, I might just look at the travel section one more time and see what I can find. So that is my next plan. I will try and vlog, but I will see you guys in Target. All right, so I couldn't vlog in Target. There was way too many people in there, but I just got wife beaters for Scott. And then I got an extra toothpaste. I got Dramamine for me. I got Scott shampoo and conditioner. I got him a deodorant. I got razors, and then I got makeup wipes because I feel like I'm gonna need more makeup wipes. So that's all I got, and now I'm gonna go home and bring Teddy for a long walk. Okay, I look crazy. The tan is still developing, but it is later on. We're actually running pretty late. We're gonna check into the hotel tonight pretty late. But I just had like a mini panic attack. Like I literally had to take CBD oil to calm me down. I'm just feeling like overwhelmed right now, and last time I was so excited to go on vacation, and I am, but I'm just like really nervous and paranoid for some reason, and I was really sad leaving Teddy. Like that was the hardest. I like cried, but then I had to stop myself from crying because I knew I was gonna mess up my spray tan on my face. But yeah, that's what's going on with me, and I'm just waiting for Scott right now. He needs to get some insulin. And that's what's going on. I'm sorry, my mind is like everywhere right now, so excuse me if I cannot speak correctly. But we're gonna go to the hotel. We are gonna try and find like a Chipotle that's close because we're hungry and we want Chipotle. So then I'm gonna edit this vlog and get it up for you guys. And my next video that will be up will be my vacation vlog. So I'm not gonna be filming for a whole week. You won't see a video for a whole week. So hopefully you guys don't mind that, but I will be trying to put out 2 vacation vlogs, like a long one and then like a short little snippet, because I love doing those snippets with just music. I think those are like so aesthetically pleasing to watch. So yeah, I will talk to you guys once we are checked into the hotel and we have some food, and I'm feeling hopefully a lot better. Okay, so we're at the hotel now, finally. It's so late at night, I feel. And
not that late.
It's late to check into a hotel. It's like 7:30 right now. You have something to say about everything, don't you? How cold are my hands?
Not bad.
All right. So we just got here and we've actually never stayed here. I thought that we stayed here, but I booked the wrong hotel. Long story, but it's okay because I actually really like this hotel. It's so nice. And our room's a lot bigger. They upgraded us because our reservation was missing. So yay, go us. But this is what it looks like. We also got some free snacks. That's always a good time.
Yeah, but by upgrade, they gave us a room that instead of paying for the snacks, you get them for free. I mean, I'm not complaining, I'm just saying.
What do you mean? We didn't pay any more.
No, I'm saying like that's what the upgrade was.
Yeah, that's a great upgrade. Sweets. Look at this. We got Starbucks and look, hot cocoa. Wow, might have to have this later. Maybe. But we also got a granola bar. We got a Hershey's bar. We've got nuts and chocolate. We have an orange if we're trying to be healthy. I weighed in at 133 this afternoon and I have no idea why. Like, I'm actually concerned I might be on my way out. We also have water, Keurig, microwave, king bed. We're used to that now. And we just got subs. Hopefully they're delicious because we found this like random place, but it was rated really good. So we both got an Italian sub. Oh, yeah, that's probably best. And then we have a TV. We're gonna watch Survivor tonight because we missed it this week. Got a desk, a nice lounge chair. And yeah, it's a pretty big room, right, sweets?
Not bad.
Scott did not slam his finger in the door this time around. He did good. Because last time, if you guys rewind,
it's still messed up from that first one.
He crushed his entire knuckle. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, we went on vacation in April, so go back to my April videos. He crushed his finger in the car. It swelled up like I've never seen anything swell.
It's still messed up.
It's broken still. That's why it's never gonna repair, babe. I'm sorry. Anyways, so we're gonna eat, and I'm going to end this vlog. It was probably shorter because I know I was just in my car. I got a spray tan today, so this is what I look like. Actually, let's not do that. All right, we're gonna end the vlog and eat some food, so I will talk to you guys when I come back from vacation and you guys see the vacation vlogs. Wish us a safe flight because I am so nervous.